morning and happy Wednesday. It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and today I'm going to do a kids craft demo. So one of our take and make bags for this week is a worry monster. So we're going to make a worry monster today. You can pick up your take and make kit at Columbus or Saluda Library, and inside the kit you have a bag, different color bags. Mine is yellow. You have some monster legs, and I've already cut the ones I'm going to use out. You can pick from some blue or some pink legs. You have some monster arms, pink, orange, or green. Some monster horns, monster eyes, and monster mouths. You also have the Worry Monster poem. I'm your little worry monster. I am always here. When worries pop into your head, don't let them turn to fear. Take a piece of paper, make sure you write your name. Explain your worry, write it clear and plain. Put the worry into my mouth and let me eat the fear. Put a smile upon your face, then give a great big cheer. And then the last thing in your bag is a letter from Saluda School counselors, Miss Montgomery and Miss Huffman. So if you go to Saluda School or a Polk County school, you might have seen them before. So they're just offering some strategies we can try when we are feeling anxious. So it's been a really hard year for all of us, really stressful. You might be worried about some things. So one of the things we can do is make our worry monster. And they give us some other ideas, getting physical activity and plenty of sleep and eating healthy, doing something fun, talking to someone close to you, laughing, taking deep breaths. So there's lots of suggestions for what you can do to lower your anxiety and stress and be less worried. And I'm going to show you how to make your worry monster. So you will need glue and scissors at home to make your worry monster. I've gone ahead and cut out all of my monsters parts here, and I'm going to glue them to my bag. So I like to be colorful, so I picked some different colors for my horns and my eyes and my monster arms, and I'm going to glue them to my bag. And I think either clear glue or glue stick would work. Now that I'm looking at my horns, I realized I should have cut out two that go the opposite ways, so my horns are going to go the same way. That's okay, but if you want to make your horns poking out like that, make sure you cut out two that are going in the opposite direction. All right, then I'm going to glue on my eyes. And I tried to give you guys a lot of variety in your monster parts, but if there's something else you want to add, or something different you want to do, you can always get some markers or crayons and draw whatever you like for your monster on the bag. So I glued my horns, my eyes, my mouth. I'm going to do some arms that are going out the side of my monster. One green arm and one pink arm. And then for my legs, I'm going to glue them on a little bit, and then I'm going to fold them so that they can sit. So if I fold them like this, they can sit on a table, and I'll show you how that works in just a second. Hopefully they'll be the same length, but your monster can be as silly as you want. He doesn't have to be symmetrical. All right. So you should let this dry first. I'm going to try to open my bag out, letting everything dry, and hopefully it all sticks just so I can show you guys. All right, isn't that a cute little worry monster? So now what you're going to do is think about anything that you're worried about or anything that's making you sad or confused or mad, and you write it on a piece of paper, and then you put it in your worry bag and let your worry monster worry about it instead of you. Hope you guys enjoy this activity, and thanks again to Katie Montgomery and Sherry Huffman for helping us with this take and make this week.